Hey ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here. Welcome to this episode of Scoop School. Thanks for jumping in. We've got people that are kind of waiting every single day for our content. That's awesome. People who have subscribed, people who have clicked the little bell. It goes ding-a-ling-a-ling, Steve's in your inbox, and here I am. Anyway, we're going to talk today about something that happens to a lot of ice cream mixes. It's called colloidal separation. Sounds like a medical problem. It is not. We've done a video on this before, so this is kind of round 2, but we've had a lot of questions on it lately, so I thought we'd kind of bring it up again. We do want to thank our episode sponsor, Mitch Kleinman and the whole crew there from Frozen Solutions. Out on the West Coast, they basically rent ice cream machines, cups, spoons, napkins, face masks, magic color changing spoons. The kids love them. FrozenSolutions.com. Thank you, Mitch, and all the crew out there for basically sponsoring and allowing us to be able to talk to the people today about colloidal separation. So, you've got a bag of mix here. We are using a classic mix, Golden Crest 10% custard mix. Great product, but in the formulation of this mix, there are a lot of different elements to this recipe, one of which is water, one of which is fat, which is an oil, and for those of you who can't really remember chemistry class, it was way too long ago, fats and water do not mix. Oil and water do not like each other. They will basically push apart from each other, and that's what colloidal separation is. I'm going to talk to Madeline as if she's here, but she's lollygagging around with her sister in Houston this week. So hello to Madeline and Elizabeth. Hope you're doing a good job. Madeline, when you get to this point in the video, you'll need to zoom right in because we're going to show you colloidal separation. See the discoloration in this mix. You'll see that it's kind of started, it almost looks like it's curdling, and there's a yellowy tinge. You can kind of see that on this side of the bag looks fine. On this side of the bag, you can almost see the water separating out from the butterfat of the mix. That's basically colloidal separation. It doesn't mean the mix is bad. It just means that the fat and the water have separated. Now, why does that happen? A number of reasons. If it's been sitting for a long time, this has been in our drawer, our low boy refrigerator. It's still well within its use by, but it's been sitting and the fat and the water are separated. You'll see this a lot also if you have frozen mix, and you can freeze mix. We did a video on it previously. If you freeze mix, pull it out of the freezer and thaw it in a cooler, which you should for a couple of days, you'll see this kind of separation going on here. And really, as long as the mix isn't bad, which again, you'll need to taste it, smell it. If it's not bad, all you'll need to do is basically reintroduce the fat and the water together. Hey fat, this is water, this is fat. Now let's play nicely. Flip this bag over, do it again. And your mix is basically as it was when it first arrived. The fat and the water are now friends again. They're playing with each other nicely until you put this back in the freezer or the cooler and it sits for a while, and then they'll start to look at each other like, I don't even know what I ever saw in you. Yeah, me too. I'm heading over here. Well, I'm going to be over this side of the bag. And basically it happens all over again. Quick shake up, everyone's friends again, colloidal separation. It doesn't mean the mix is bad, just means it needs a bit of a shake up. As do everybody from time to time, we all need a bit of a shake up. If you have any questions, conundrums, problems about the ice cream business, if you're looking to get into the ice cream business, if you're already in the ice cream business and thinking, I need my business to go to the next level, Scoop School is for you. You should subscribe to these videos, you should have a look at our online classes, maybe join our online community. We have a live stream every week. It's pretty fun. Anyway, that's all we have for this video. Again, thank you to Mitch and the crew out there at Frozen Solutions for sponsoring. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.